upward motion of an object on rough inclined plane. So if plane is rough, same way we discuss. Suppose this is the object which is placed on rough inclined surface and it makes an angle theta. If this theta is less than theta naught, angle of repose, we will have to apply force in downward direction in order to start motion. If this theta is more than theta naught, then due to its weight, component of the weight only, it will start moving. So here two situations may be. When theta is less than theta naught, we will have to apply external force. So if theta is less than theta naught, external force will be needed. Is needed to start motion. If theta is more than theta naught, then external force is not needed. Force is not needed to start motion. If you are applying external force in this case also, no problem. More acceleration will be there. But sometimes it is asked, what is the minimum force required to start motion? So if theta is more than theta naught, minimum force will be 0. Without applying external force also, it will move. But if it is less than this, we will have to apply force. So general situation we are saying, okay, this is the case. So its weight is acting downward. Normal reaction is acting upward, it means perpendicular to the inclined surface. As the object has got tendency to move downward, we are interested in downward motion. So naturally what will be? The friction will act in this direction. So Fk will be in this direction. If you are asked how much force is required to just to start motion, then in place of Fk, limiting friction will come. And this is equal to mu k times n. So suppose we are applying an external force F. And under these forces, the object starts moving with acceleration A. So one of the axis will be this one, other axis will be this one. The acceleration is in this direction. So one axis must be in the direction of acceleration. So if this is theta, naturally this is theta. This will be mg cos theta. This is mg sin theta. So what will be the equation? If we apply second law, Newton's second law, what can we write? So in this case, F plus mg sin theta minus Fk, which is mu k times n, and this n will be equal to mg cos theta. So mu k mg cos theta this must be equal to ma. So what will be the value of A? Sometimes it is asked, sometimes it will be asked what is the external force required. So accordingly, we will make the subject. What will be A? So this F plus, if we are taking mg common, then sin theta minus mu k cos theta must be equal to ma. If it is moving with constant speed, A will become 0. Then force required will become, we go that side. So mu k mg cos theta minus mg sin theta. So if object is moving without external force, object is moving downward without external force. So this will happen only when theta is more than theta naught. Then only it can happen. So in that case, what will be the equation? So this F will not be there. Then mg sin theta minus mu k mg cos theta will be equal to ma. And will be cancelled. So this A will be how much? G sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Now, sometimes will be asked if this theta is less than theta naught. Find minimum force required to start motion. So as we are interested to start motion, that means this side limiting friction will act. So in that case, what will become? F plus mg sin theta must be equal to mu s mg cos theta. So these two forces will balance the limiting friction. Then external force, how much it will come? Mg common mu s cos theta minus sin. And if this theta is more than theta naught, minimum force to start motion, will become 0. In that case, we have not to apply any force, because when the angle of theta is more than the angle of repose, it will start moving itself